Hello guys, I've yet to pick up the camera and say hello to the vlog, mainly because we've been running around, laundry, packing up, and today's the day we leave our friends, but we're moving back into our home. Not back, well yeah, back into our home. This has been our home, this room. But I'm gathering all the things. I just took a shower, got ready a bit, and we are moving back in, and yeah. I think that's just going to be a day of like kind of errands, getting the van like organized and kind of prepped to hit back the road. It's been like 5 days, not only 5 days of just like hanging out with them and exploring. We've also been like kind of mainly out of the van. Also, we have not been working, so it's been great. And we still have one more day tomorrow. It's our anniversary, so we're really excited about that. But I'm going to move all this stuff back into the van and get everything organized after you just saw me a few days ago clean it. So that was nice. So we're going to try to keep the cleanliness throughout the van and organize with all of our clean clothes now that we've cleaned. So let's do that. Happy Vlogmas Day 19, the day of chaos. Hello. So it has been hours, and I mean hours. It is 5 o'clock on the dot, and I have some packages. I cleaned up the whole thing. We did laundry, very last minute, and Destiny literally reorganized the whole entire garage. This is something we didn't want to do last minute. We were trying to like do it before, but we've been so busy, but we were also having so much fun. And they were supposed to, Dylan and Lita were, Dylan and Destiny, I keep calling her Lita. Dylan and Destiny were supposed to be having a full van build day, but they didn't. They had, you know, half day, or kind of day, but one, we did stuff before and we were exhausted, and then two, it was pouring rain, so it was a little cold out. But anyways, long story short, we have some packages that I want to open. I'm going to show a few that I already opened. One on my phone case, so cute. I've been wanting something like this. All I'm missing is like a pop socket or a little like the thing to hold it, but it's like a mat, and I opened it and put it on immediately. Another one was sriracha. If you know, you know. And if you've watched any of our videos, you know that I've been complaining about it, but her mom, Destiny's mom, found some sriracha, shipped it 2 big bottles. Then my sister got us some bottles, and I might just tell her to keep them, and then we'll be replenished. Another thing is we got some just food for dogs, for the dogs. They love this. Actually, they haven't had the pork one yet, but they love the chicken one. Destiny also got a work package, so she just needed a laptop, and this one is really exciting. Super exciting. Super exciting. So excited! Guys. Alright, here we go. So this is from Eamon and Beth, their Drink Habit starter kit. We have the matcha already and we love it, so I'm so excited. Also, we got the organic masala chai and organic mint lavender. What? I said that all wrong. Dyslexic much? Organic lavender mint chamomile. Really excited to try these. But we're really excited. Drawstring tea bags, reusable tea bags. I'm really excited for these. Also, for the starter kit. I'm having tea tonight. Woohoo! Okay, so excited. Oh, it's too good. I'm so so excited. This is beautiful. Oh my god, I love. Okay, we also got some Earl Grey. And then, oh, you guys, this beautiful frother. Okay. I watch Beck do this all the time, and she warms up her milk in here and like the tea, and I'm just so excited with its very own strainer. And this beautiful dual double frother. Now, if you know me, I have a frother, but I'm immediately throwing it out. I use it for my coffee, but upgrade! Oh my god, it's gorgeous. I love the color. It's, you guys, thank you so much. I'm so happy. I am so excited. You ever wonder how we get mail? We mainly get UPS or like FedEx, Amazon lockers, and friends when we're on the road. Friends' houses, families' houses, and yes, super exciting. Super exciting. Anyways, Destiny's taking a shower really quickly, and then we are going to honestly don't know yet. We have so many plans. Tomorrow's our anniversary. Did I say that? I'm not too sure, and sorry if I'm rambling, but this video is going to be like a little bit all over the place because we've just been literally cleaning, deep cleaning, and trying to like get up and go, but also we're just waiting for a package, which is also one more package, and it's really exciting, and it's supposed to be here on Friday, and then it was supposed to be here yesterday, and now it's supposed to be here from 2 to 6, but it's just not even here, and we need to get going because our friends have plans, we have loose plans, but we just need, you know, we actually got a lot of packages sent here, and we had to reroute them because we sent them 2 weeks before to the people that were asking for them here, because we knew we were going to be here, and we thought 2 weeks was a good allotted amount of time. But just know, if you live on the road, it is a struggle sometimes. It can be easy, but it can also be a really big struggle. Anyways, I'm going to put all this away. I'm so excited to have some tea tonight, and yeah, we're gonna maybe do some Christmas stuff. As I literally just told you and was unboxing everything, Destiny just came in and was like, the toilet's here, and I was like, shut up. And it's here! Okay, so I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing. So we gotta go. We gotta driving to a new state again, and we want to leave. Let's put you here. Yeah, how's that? We want to leave, open everything, and leave the boxes, because trying to dispose of boxes is not always the easiest thing on the road. Not a big box, and this is a big box. So, oh my god, you guys, this is so exciting. A box in a box. That's awesome. Okay, I might need her. It's a little heavy. So we currently have, I'm actually sitting on our toilet, but it's under here. And I'll show you our old one. This is our old toilet, and it is not a composting. This is a composting. Let's, very heavy. Woo! Whoa. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Composting just means you can compost your solids. We only use ours to, sorry, you're low, I'm bending, still pretty low, but we only use ours to use just number one. Mainly because we don't want to clean up our own, and that's pretty gross, which this might get gross, but we don't know. But everyone I know loves their composting toilet, so we decided to get one of our own, and I don't know how to, which is good, you know, gotta love that. Anyways, let's zoom through this, because we got a lot of things to do. so beautiful. I put these in here, but look how beautiful that is. So silly, the things you get excited for as an adult. But we're really excited. We'll show you how we install it. It's cold out here. It's cold out here. Winter's here. It's about washing clothes. Da na na na. Hey, yeah. Hey. Fine. Action. Just that's it.
Oh, shit, the dog's freaking out.
No. A bunch of weirdness. I'm gonna miss you. We love you guys. Safe travels back west.
Yeah, we'll keep everything. Obviously,
keep us updated on all your plans.
Yeah, I'll just keep talking to you on your cooking.
Same. Oh, love you guys. I love that you do that because I always do that, and I'm like, where's Lisa today?
Where are they?
I saw both of yours
at home for the last 3 weeks. I'm unsharing.
No, I couldn't see you, but you could see me.
Alright, well, safe travels.
Thank you.
I'll help navigate you out.
Okay. Hello, hours later and driving. Huh?
10 hours later.
10 hours later. It really is. It's like, it's almost 11 o'clock. We just made it to camp.
It's been an adventure.
Okay, Cracker Barrel. We're in a funny mood, honestly.
Liz is tired. She gets silly.
I think so. Also, here's our first meal. Here's our first meal of the day. Yay!
We had bagels.
Okay. We had bagels at noon.
We still had bagels.
Okay.
You can't say.
Here's our second meal of the day. We actually Destiny had some leftover kava and we split her half of a half. I think you had about like one.
It was half.
You
I
had
ate half, so you ate a quarter of my bowl.
I don't think so.
There was half of kava.
I had like 4 bites.
Okay. You definitely had more.
Anyways, that's not the point here. We are back home in our van. We left our friends, sad face, but we will see them very, very soon. Tomorrow's anniversary, and I don't know if I've said that already, but we don't know what we're going to do. We usually have it all fully planned out, honestly, especially the day before, but we do not know. So, yeah, yes.
I just feel like being lazy.
Wanna be lazy? We could be lazy. Let's be lazy. We've been a lot of go, which has been amazing, and we loved it. But I even gave her the option of sleeping in tomorrow, and she said absolutely. So we're in Cracker Barrel parking lot, and we'll probably sleep in. Honestly, we're gonna watch some YouTube right now, and then
hit the hay.
Yep. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Good night.
Today was really boring. I'm sorry. But we were cleaning our home. And I will say it's clean now, but at the moment, it doesn't look but it is clean, I promise.
Looks messy.
It does look a little messy. But that's because we bought some things. Okay, good night. Bye!